If gravity pulls everything toward the center of a spinning ball, then every ocean, every lake, every river on Earth should be slowly draining downward toward that central point deep inside the planet. Water finds the lowest point. Always. That's not a theory. That's what water does in every container, every bathtub, every landscape on Earth. So why does Norway have fjords full of water sitting at sea level when the center of Earth is thousands of miles beneath it in a completely different direction? The globe model says gravity pulls toward Earth's core, a point roughly 3,900 miles beneath your feet. On a spherical surface, that means gravity points in a completely different direction depending on where you're standing. Someone in Iceland and someone in New Zealand are both being pulled toward the same central point, but from opposite directions. Their down is geometrically opposite. Water on Iceland's surface should flow toward that center point. Water on New Zealand's surface should flow toward the same center from the opposite direction. But both countries have rivers. Both have lakes sitting calmly at sea level. Neither country's water is flowing toward a central underground point. Water flows downhill on a local slope, not toward a planetary core thousands of miles away that it can't physically reach. And here's the detail that makes the globe model quietly difficult to defend on this specific point. Sea level is described as an equipotential surface, meaning gravity is theoretically equal across the entire ocean surface, so water stays put. But that means the ocean surface is curved, following the ball, while simultaneously staying level from the perspective of any observer on it. A surface that is curved and level simultaneously. Those two descriptions are geometrically contradictory, yet both are used to explain the same ocean. One of them has to give, and the one that matches every observable measurement is level. On a flat Earth, water behaves exactly as it always does everywhere. It finds level. It flows downhill on terrain gradients. It pools in depressions. It sits still in calm conditions. Norway has water because water flows downhill to wherever the terrain holds it, on a flat surface. No center point pulling it in an impossible direction thousands of miles underground. The water is where it is because of terrain. Not because of a gravitational vector pointing toward a planetary core nobody has ever visited.